Welcome to the channel. My name is Eric, and today I thought we'd just do a quick video on brush dippers. You know, they're great when they work, right? When they're brand new, but after a while they get dull. So today what we're going to do is we're going to take and I'm going to show you how to sharpen it with a flat file. It's not that difficult. Not that difficult, you know. The biggest thing is just get something that you can put it in like this. You can tighten it down in a vise, get her opened up, and then you just want to take the flat file and just go right across that. You want that nice edge all the way across it. Take out any of the nicks. And turn it over. See a lot of mix on this side. You don't want this side sharp like the other side. You just want a nice smooth. Alright, so the next thing is, will she cut? What can we try it on? You're just gonna take my word for it. It wouldn't hurt. Clean, touch this up a little bit. Especially if it gets rusty.